So our next topic is let's make a presentation. So whenever we are talking about presentation, then every time we have to open MS PowerPoint. So let us read out this. There are two ways to make a presentation. First one, either you can create a blank presentation, and second, you can select in built-in templates for PowerPoint and then work upon it. Uh, First point is telling that if you want to create a blank presentation, that means you can simply click on the new option and that blank presentation will open in front of you. And second option is telling that if you want the built-in templates, that means designs on the slide, that option is also available in PowerPoint presentation. So let's go to the next slide, and the next slide is about sample templates in PowerPoint. So let us read out this. If you are just starting out in PowerPoint but you want to make an impressive presentation, you can use built-in templates of PowerPoint. These sample design give you a ready-made pattern on which you can prepare your presentation. Once you select a template, you can edit its text, add and replace pictures, change color, etc. So what this whole paragraph is trying to say that there are many built-in templates in PowerPoint. So if you want to add and if you want to make your presentation more impressive, then you have to make use of the built-in templates which are present in the PowerPoint. After using that built-in templates, you can add or remove text or pictures, and you can even change the color of the templates. So how these things are going to happen, we'll see in the live example. So first, before going to the live example, let's read out this how steps to open. So first step is click on File tab, select the new option. From the first row, click on Sample Templates, and this kind of picture you can see in MS PowerPoint. So let us go for the live example. So this is your desktop, and we have to open PowerPoint. Start button, POWER. You get the option of PowerPoint, and this is your PowerPoint presentation, screen of PowerPoint presentation. See, now what we have seen in the first point, in the first slide, that after opening PowerPoint, you will get a blank presentation like this. If you want to work on this blank presentation, you can continue with this. But if you want to insert a built-in templates, that means some design to this particular slide, then how we will do that, we'll see. As you can see in the corner, this button, there is a start option here. Let me zoom. Yes, now you have to click on the start option button, menu bar. See, now you will get a new, and you have to click on new option, and the menu bar open in front of you will be like this. Then on this side, on the left hand side of this particular pop-up window, there are many options. If you want to apply templates, then you have to click on this install templates. Second option is there. You will get different types of templates, so you can select whichever you want. Suppose I am taking this, then you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, you have to click here on the create option. See, now built-in template is been applied to particular slide. So this was the difference between blank slide and how to apply a built-in template or a sample template on the blank side, on the blank slide. Hope you have understand these two topics.